Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Base to MetaMask Wallet. So for this purpose, first you have to add MetaMask extension to your Chrome. Then here at the top, you have this extension option. Just click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to tap on MetaMask. Then MetaMask will appear on your screen. Now here you can see you are on this page. Here at the top right corner, you have these three dots. Click on it. Once you click on these three dots, then this page will pop up. Here, click on the option of settings. Once you click on settings, then this type of settings page will appear. Here in the search bar, just search for network. Once you search for net, then some networks option will appear. Just click on first one. Then select a network page will pop up on your screen. Here you need to scroll down and here you can find the option of base mainnet. If you didn't find it, then search it in the search bar. Then at the front of BaseNet, you have the button of add. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here at the bottom right, you have approve option. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to tap on got it. Once done, then you can see BaseNet is added to your MetaMask wallet. So this way you can easily add Base to MetaMask wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.